Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today we are going to go over insider trades of the week, and within that we are going to feature Palantir because it's the second highest insider trade of the week, and also we'll take a look at the trends of how insiders have been buying or selling Palantir in past. And stay with me, please like and subscribe and show your support. That's a free way to show your support, and it helps me immensely with the YouTube algorithms. And I'll see you on the other side. We'll make this short video. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. Today we are focusing on insider trading for ARK portfolio only. This channel is only for ARK portfolio. And as you can see, we have selected the date range of last week, but there is no buys at all last week. And hence, we'll focus only sells. But try not to read too much into the sells because people sell for personal reasons. Insider sells for personal reasons as well. But when they buy for only one main reason. They know something big is coming up. And so that's why we do these videos where we show the intersection of buys, insider buys or insider trading with ARK portfolio research, right? So ARK has done some research, has done a lot of research on the companies that they invest in. Plus, if we intersect that with insider trading data, it becomes a very strong signal. So that's why we bring this information to you. Since past 2 weeks, there have not been any buys. But this month there have been buys, and I have been raising that pretty much in every episode, which is Verve Therapeutics. A lot of insiders bought it. When the stock went down, ARK started buying it and has been consistently buying it every day on daily basis. But that's a conversation for another day. Let's go over the sales. Facebook topping the charts there. Mark Zuckerberg selling a lot of a big chunk. Well, for him, it's a pocket change, but $79 million worth of shares he sold last week. Then you have Palantir, 46.1 million. That's the second highest, mainly by Alexander Karp, and then there is Shankar Sham. Alexander Karp being CEO there, he has been selling quite a bit consistently. Actually, we'll take a look at the trend of Palantir in just a bit. We'll go over a few high ones. Next is Twilio last week, CEO selling. Jeff Lawson, CEO, selling 19 million worth of shares. Salesforce, Mark Benioff selling 14 million worth of shares, and CTO Harris Parker 1 million. Then you have Pinterest, 13.2 million worth of shares by these two people, as you can see. Snowflake, 8 million worth of shares being sold last week. Then you have BILL, I forget what company that was, but 3 people selling there. Hubs, Peloton. Also, then you have STGR, Okta, ROK, Rockwell Automation, ALTR, LHX, CRISPR Therapeutics, Twist Biosciences, Berkeley Lights, CSTL, I think this is also a therapeutics company, Tesla, 0.8 million, Fastly, 0.7 million, and I think actually ARK completely got rid of Fastly, but yeah, we still have it in the list. And then there is a long tail of smaller ones. So these are the ones, as you can see. Now let's quickly put some spotlight on Palantir. Quickly take a look at how people have been selling Palantir stock. So when I click on that, we'll see in the trend that this week it has been 2 days when they have sold it. So Shankar Sham sold on 19th, which is Monday, and then Alexander Karp selling a big chunk again, 721. Now let's select a bigger date range though, just to see. I'm gonna go ahead and select early, so year to date. Let's take a look at the year to date trend for Palantir selling. So when I select year to date, it falls down in ranking to number 7. Path and Coinbase are showing up in the top because they had an IPO, and a lot of people insider sell when IPO happens, and that's why you see those. But other than that, if we remove those, it is in top 5. Palantir is in top 5 companies that insiders sold. So this is the trend of that. How much is the total? Let's take a look. So about $1 billion, $1.1 billion worth of shares were sold by insiders. Pretty consistent, as you can see, since January 4th. 30 million Alexander Karp. February, 41 million Alexander Karp. This is a little bit above $500 million worth of shares sold, mainly by Peter Thiel, who is the co-founder of this company. So he's the one who brought on Alexander Karp and to run the company, actually. So he sold like 505 million, so $500 million worth of shares there. Then there's Shankar Sham, 21 million, Palantir, and then a lot of people here. Then you have under 1 million sale. This is Cohen Stephen Andrew, 4 million. Alexander Karp, 10 million, and this other guy as well, Alexander Moore. Again, Cohen Stephen and Alexander Karp, Taylor Ryan, Palantir, again, Alexander Karp, Alexander Moore, Alexander Karp. A lot of people at this point, but all of them under 1 million because it's not even showing up as a million. If I add a decimal, it will show up. So Alexander Karp, these guys, we are in May right now, so you probably are able to see this date range also that we have selected. So again, May, when we get to June, 3 million, Alexander Karp, Cohen Stephen. So these are the two, mainly it's Alexander Karp, and Peter Thiel was all in one big lump that he sold. Again, Alexander Karp, Cohen Stephen, and Alexander Karp, followed by Shankar Sham. Those are the three people selling internal. Insider selling the stock, generally consistent basis looks like. So yeah, so that was your daily dose and insider trading, focusing especially on Palantir. And I'll see you tomorrow with another episode. Tomorrow we'll be doing the weekly summary. We do it on Sunday nights because Friday's data is uploaded on ARK's website on Sunday night, and hence that's the only time we can do it. So tune in for that, and I'll be sure to upload it Sunday night. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.